guys, today we're drawing a Christmas ornament, and my name is Trag and I'm 5 years old. And do you know what we do with Christmas ornaments? We hang them on the Christmas tree. Let's get started now. Okay, and we will make it similar to this one. On ours, it won't have this bent thing. It will have like a rope tied. Let's get started by making a circle. If you can make it with your hands, that's good. But you can make it with anything, like a plate or like a cup, or what I'm using, this Play-Doh cap. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. And tracing it. Oops. My ornament fell off for now, I think. There we go. There's a circle. Make 2 lines going up. Connect it with a curve. Connect it. Now let's make the part I just told you to make, the rope looking part, okay? It's like kind of 2 lines, like kind of the shape, like half heart. Same thing on the other side, half heart. Now let's make the rope part. Make 2 lines going out. No, but this one goes wiggly, kind of a S shape. I'm gonna go like tracing this inside the piece. I'm gonna make it with eyes so it looks cute. And just like that. It looks very good. Now you can trace this too. I'm gonna trace this coming out of there so it looks real. See, it kind of looks real. And it's coming out of there. Now let's make the shine coming out, okay? Make 2 curve lines like that and connect them with a curve. That's our shine right there. Now let's make his eyes. Make 1 circle. Like that. Another circle for his other eye. Just like that. Okay, now let's draw 1 big circle inside this for the shine again. And his eyes. And both of the eyes. Like that. Kind of looks funny. Funny ornament. Now I'm gonna make it look cute by making a tiny circle. Coloring this. And you can like color and set those 2 circles. And just like that. And leave that curve. Then we make like 5 lines inside. Just like that. The same thing on the other side now. Make a tiny circle. Make a curve. Curve it now. This ornament looks so cool. And there's one letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. And actually looks pretty good. Ornament, how to look that good? Just tell me. How? That's funny. I'm gonna just draw 2 lines for its eyebrows. We draw his smile, just a tiny smile. Let's draw some shine coming out. Just like, make a shape like that. Almost like a capital I. Shape like that, like half of Christmas tree top. I'm inserting the middle line. It's right there. And connect it. Like that, the same thing. Just like that. And then on the other side. Capital I. Stretch the middle line. Connect it to the line. That looks so good. Less color now. This color we need yellow and red, okay? Yellow and red. That's it. That's easy. Just trace this color, then trace. Ornament. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? We're done with our reds now. I'm coloring this in red too. Okay, we're done with the reds now. Let's get our yellow. Color this in. And see how cute this ornament is. And see how cute this is. And please like and subscribe my channel. And please press that bell icon. Bye.